wo can we afimfo amamu
yes
ena Jimmy so amu ho say enya wiemfo amamu na mu no
yes
because niema bebre nkoyie
okay
ntino
niema ben
do abobo so amu ahu ntino anu
some of them are not accurate.
Good.
Ebony Insurance they no can. This is a message from insuranceghana.com. Where or more on more website na Merano. You see people listen to you a lot. It is will be misinformed public now. We are supposed to educate the public. You understand? This is from insuranceghana.com. Let them almost say motor insurance premium adjusted effective 16 February 2026. And look at the differences. Or say for motorcycle, it has been increased from 302 cedis to 331 cedis. Not just a design account with 29 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Or say
just hit on the episode correct, you know.
Please. Or say 530 ya tumko 800 cedis. Now on Tiano kind. Look at it. Or say 530 to 557. This is it. Motorinsurance.com. So you see, and people who say omo aye omadwen say ade omo beye ya tro. You understand? Ade omo beye okroma ya tro. It won't say omo minority leader in parliament. Akudia tro ama fe or patch or parliament. Until you see metena mamenka some can be about ECG, Electricity Company of Ghana. You will come as of 2023, yet to electricity over 30%. Or see, ye the one CD at 2 fuel so, and the fuel on the one CD at Tosono, ye turn 11 to 12 Ghana CDs.
Okay.
On only time nana one CD nasono, near to fuel no a liter approximately 16 to 17 CDs.
Okay.
So you see, you don't sit on this platform and lie.
You heard the echo
give me my phone, boss.
You heard the echo so any impact. Me see, I Jimmy. Maybe. David team. Oh, John, where you from number? Oh dear, Famano. There be Famano. What information that you want to pass across now?
You need third party insurance. You increase 890 something. On check it.
On check it. Read the message. It's from 800.
So one person
800.
One denial.
Oh, yeah, the
1 denial. What the most
from 500.
What's your for buying?
Oh, now they
NPP better kunya so 8 years. Go and show me the reference to third party. No, I'm giving you the information. Asana me kan no. One be denial. Me catch you say, who say you for buying? Anya san okan. Ndi you for buying third party insurance, taxi drivers, truck drivers for muchadi yo majuma. Me kan no. We see the American wait. 500 to 8.
Yeah, different type of policies. Say no, you can't wait. There has been an increment.
But from 500
to say I buy better kunya sui within 2 years no 16th of February 2026 and na mo increment so a collapse your argument to say what buying you have been
500 maybe Jimmy
that is the picture or the impression you were creating. That is the impression you were creating and it is a lie. It is a lie. And you must apologize to the public.
Telephone
also patch out because you said telephone no what's on different categories of third parties modern radios who can say
Jimmy Mbacho T if say only the foundation say there were different types of third party if only that foundation say there were different types of third party so third party no ebi 800 and ako 800 and so the foundation is 800 and I call 800 and something adjustment. But you made an emphasis that we could try binano na 500 and something. I could do 800. I was even surprised because, well, Ebia, as a company, Ben Akuchani, Ebia company, no, they have its own a year or day. And here is the point. Now, maybe justice. Justice is, yes, he's confirming that there's been an adjustment, but from the 500 to the 800. That is what he's also saying. He's admitting that yes, adjustment about, but moving from 500 to 800, and you're also admitting that yes, it be 800. There were different categories. It be 800. 800 and something. So it means that it be a 500. MPJ mundu 800 said now will come. That is one thing. Now maybe you want to. I want us to move on. Now, yeah, because we have.
Me catch you say. Who now you host? What you say? Ono na catch you say do so. She. You say Baba Trans have lose amam won.
There be any lose.
Udi agro.
Kasa.